Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I'm going to teach you how to upload a YouTube video into your Weebly page as well as how to utilize the survey feature. Okay, so we want to make sure that we are on the correct tool page up here. So at your toolbar, you'll see the variety of build, pages, theme, setting, help. We want to be on the build side. Once you're on that build side and you are under the specific page that you want to build something on, you will look at your toolbar and see a variety of different things. So we see right here up at the top the basic tools that Weebly offers us, the structure pieces, but we want to focus here on media. So we're going to implement a YouTube video onto this page under Tech Help, and the video we're going to be putting in is how to screenshot and upload on a Chromebook. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the actual YouTube video tool and drag over wherever you want that video to sit. Once you're ready, you release and let that load. This is going to share with you that your video is unavailable. That is because we have not really linked any specific YouTube video. All you have to do is simply click on the actual video and this little helpful area pops up. You'll see that this is where you can copy or paste over that URL for your YouTube video. So make sure that you have that video ready to be pasted into this specific spot. Once you have pasted in your URL, it will immediately pop up in the background the video that you have pasted. But it's important that you play around with these tools here to know where you want your video positioned. So you can do it left alignment, center alignment, or right alignment. You can even look at your spacing and how close or far away you want it from the top margin and the bottom margin, as well as any advanced tools as well. Here you can kind of deal with the sizing of your video. So if you want it small, it's going to shrink it for you, a medium size, large, extra large, and then some other features here. But what's cool about this is, once you have chosen where you want your video to sit, you can click off of that and it will go away. And then you have the option to kind of play around here. If you're not liking where that video is sitting, you can move it around here. But for us, we're wanting that video sitting below its title. So you have to kind of play around with it. That's the kind of freedom of the feature here, is that you can position it wherever you want. But it's as simply as that to paste in your URL once you have dragged over this YouTube tool, and then you're ready to go. All right, so now we're going to talk about how do I implement a survey onto my Weebly website. The survey feature is really cool because it can allow you to get some information not only from your students, but also the parents of your students. So you can utilize the survey in any way, shape, or form, but I am going to teach you how can I get that survey set up on my Weebly page. So you're going to want to make sure you are on the page that you are wanting this survey to sit under. Once you are on the page that you want your survey to sit on, you will look back over here and make sure you are on the build toolbar here up at the top, and we will look at those features again. So again, you see your basic features, your structure, media, e-commerce, and then we're going to look under the more section. So right here is the survey feature. Just like the YouTube video and all the other features, you will drag that survey tool to any spot on your page. So we're going to drop it here and release, and we can see that the survey has already kind of built a template for us to work upon. So let's say that you're wanting to, like this teacher here, for example, is wanting to gauge an understanding of how their students are feeling with technology. All you would have to do is simply select what you're wanting to change. You can see that this is the field title of this specific question. You would change that to whatever you are wanting that question or initial statement to be that the student would select. So once you have typed in your field title of this specific question, you're going to want to click down on option items, and this is where you can change what your selections are for the student to choose. So for example, here we're going to type in a variety of different options that correlate to this specific question. I feel comfortable with using Google Classroom. Once you have typed in your specific option items, just simply click the back arrow and then click off, and it is ready to go. One key part to your survey is recognizing the form options here before you publish or save this survey. So when you click on form options, you're going to see that you can give this survey a name. So we're going to name it Technology Survey, and you can even change the email that the responses are sent to, as well as just kind of confirmation message to the people that shows that they completed the survey. So just take a look at those features, because it's very important that you are designing your survey with your audience in mind and what works for them. So once you're ready to save your survey, you would simply click save, and then you can publish your website to make sure that on the receiving end, your survey is available to those that are ready to take it. Now, to test your survey to make sure that it is working properly, go ahead and get in publish mode on your website and go to where your survey is and take a look at it as a viewer perspective. So, for example, if I am just selecting my choices on the survey, we want to make sure that the student would be able to submit, or the parent or family member would be able to submit their responses. So we check the submit button, and we can see that it gives that confirmation message that we wired it to, that they are done with their survey and that it has been submitted to the instructor. Congratulations, you have successfully made it through your modules with the Introduction to Weebly websites and how you can create a successful and efficient class website. I hope that you found all of our tutorials very helpful and our modules helpful as you were outlining your own class website, and we look forward to hearing from you and your success stories with your class websites. Please make sure that you reach out if you have any other questions and how we can assist you.